This video will actually be a very short one because I want to go straight to the point. Now in this video, I want to talk to people who are looking to make money, most especially people who are looking for quick money, fast money. You see, if you watch this video to the very end, you gain a lot from this short video. Now, one thing a lot of people don't know is that chasing quick money or fast money can be tempting. You see, a lot of people want to make money and they want to make it quickly. They want to make it fast. There are so many people on the internet that are showing you quick wins. They are showing you their big numbers, their flashy lifestyles, and it feels like you are missing out on all of these things. But what they really show you is how unstable and risky that kind of lifestyle is. And from what I've come to realize, many people spend so many years jumping from one trend to another trying to make money, and it feels like they are working hard but they are never building anything that lasts. And that is because whatever is trending is what they are doing. For example, if airdrop is trending today, they jump at it. If betting is trending today, they jump at it. If forex is trending tomorrow, they jump at it. If crypto is trending next week, they jump at it. They just jump at anything and they are never stable. They're just jumping from one trend to another. But if you want real financial progress, if you want to make progress financially, you have to stop chasing quick money or jumping from one trend to another. What you actually need is to start focusing on moves that compound over time. And you can do this through these two things I'm about to explain in this video. Now, the first one is to actually build skills that actually pay well. Not just any skills that pay well. Now, you see, if you want a sustainable income, it depends on your skills and also what you can do. Because the more valuable your skill set is, the more harder it is for your income to just disappear overnight. And if you take time to actually learn high-paying skills, you are giving yourself an advantage for the future. And there are so many high-income skills out there that many businesses and individuals are paying well for. And if you are looking for high-income skills to learn this year, we also have a video on this YouTube channel where we talked about different high-income skills you can actually learn to make money for yourself. You can also ask for the link in the comment section below. I'll reply to your comment with a link to that. Now, let me give you a tip for this. You see, if you are looking to learn a skill to make money, please focus on skills that will save time for people, skills that will actually increase revenue for people, or skills that will actually solve a painful problem for people. You see, skills that actually do these three things will make you so much money. Whether you like it or not, it will make you so much money. And one more thing, also start by choosing a skill with clear demand. Look for areas where companies are consistently spending money. Things like technology, marketing, data, content creation, and so on. These are like good examples because once you actually go ahead to actually solve problems in these different sectors, you can make so much money. And please, once you choose a skill to actually learn, commit to learning that skill deeply and try to become the best at that skill. It will really, really take you a long way. And one more thing you need to know is that as your skills improve, the money you can potentially make from that skill also increases. So that's the first thing I need you to do instead of jumping from one trend to another or jumping from one Ponzi scheme to another. Now, before I go to the second thing, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe to our channel. On this channel, we talk about ways to make money, ways to invest your money, and ways to manage your money the right way. So please go ahead and subscribe to Personal Finance Circle. Thank you, and don't forget to also like this video. Now, the second thing I need you to do instead of jumping from one trend to another is to create a business that actually solves real problems. Now, you see, if you really want to get rich, if you really want to make money, focus on creating a business that will solve problems for people. The truth is that a lot of you don't want to hear the truth. You can't get rich through sports betting or gambling overnight, or maybe through pyramid schemes where they tell you to refer one person to refer another person. You know, that pyramid scheme where you start going from to the lowest level to the highest level right there. You can't make money through all of those things. Or maybe Ponzi schemes where they promise you ridiculous amount of profit at the end of 1 month or 1 week or maybe 1 year. You can't make money overnight from all of those things. Things like this cannot make you rich. And there are even some people who are still falling for this Ponzi scheme still today. Imagine you hear someone telling you that there's a platform where they can double your money in like 2 days, and you carry your money there and you put it there hoping that they would actually double it in 2 days. That cannot work. It is not possible. You will be scammed. So instead of you asking how to make quick money or how to make fast money from some of these things, ask what problem can you actually solve and make money money from it. Look at everyday frustrations or maybe problems that people are facing around you and look for how you can turn that into a business. And your business does not need to be huge or something new or something revolutionary. It just needs to actually work. A business that can actually solve people's problems. And please, when you are starting a business, start small. Test your idea with like real customers, listen to their feedback, and focus on providing a better experience, not just making money from your business. Give your customers a good experience. And when your business is genuinely helping people, they will always come back and even tell others about your business. And this creates like stable income and long-term growth for your business, because trends can fade overnight. All these Ponzi schemes can actually scam you and pack up overnight. But a business that actually solves problem can last for a very long period of time and continue to make you money. So that is the second thing I want you to start right now. And if you want to start an online business, we have a video on the 10 profitable online businesses that you can start right now to make money. If you want that video, please go ahead and ask me in the comment section below. I'll reply to your comment with a link to the video. Now, before I go, I want to talk about the Growny app. Now, in case you don't know, the Growny app is a budgeting app that my team and I are currently building right now to help you track and monitor your expenses. So basically, on the Growny app, you'll be able to like create a budget, track your income, track your expenses, and at the end of every month, we send you like a report of how you spent your money, how you made your money, and all of this can help you make better money decisions. So our main goal with the Growny app is basically to help you grow your finances. So if you want to join the waitlist or you want to know more about the Growny app, just click on the first link in the description below or the link in the pinned comment of this video and go ahead and join the waitlist for Growny. I will definitely notify you once the app is ready. Thank you. So that is it for this video. If you have watched up to this point, please go ahead and like this video, drop a comment below. And if you are still a young person like me, please stop chasing quick money and focus on any of these two things I've just explained in this video. I really hope you have learned one or two things from this video. If so, please don't forget to like this video, share this video with someone who needs it. And if you want to learn the 5 things you need to be able to build wealth or get rich, watch this video showing right here. Or maybe if you have a skill already and you're looking for ways to make money with that skill, we have a video on the 10 ways you can make money with your skills and your knowledge. So go ahead and watch this video right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.